Hey guys, so as you can see here, this video, it doesn't have sound or anything and it's sped up. That's because I just got a new camera. I really didn't know how to work it, and it was in slow motion and there was no sound, so I just sped it up for it to be here. I was just telling you guys that I got my braces off and I have my retainer in, and I also bought a new camera. And yeah, just go ahead and finish this video, just giving you a heads up. All right, come on. This one I need it right here.
Did you give me all those?
Yeah.
What did you get?
Huh? I got you the strawberry banana one.
Kristen 241, Kristen 241.
Oh, I want that one. What flavor do you want?
Huh?
What flavor do you want? Which flavor?
This one.
Okay. Alright, put it in the cart. She's bringing them for you. I told her. I forgot. Barbecue.
My car now.
Push it.